Now in this video, we're going to make sure we have the VMs in the correct network configuration. So we're going to select the NAT network. So we can go ahead and right click each machine, go to settings, network. We see that it's a NAT network, perfect. Metasploitable 2, settings, network, NAT. We'll change it to NAT network. Same thing with Windows 7. Network, NAT network, and then network. That way they're all in the same network configuration, and then that way they can still reach out to the network, but not really put us at risk. So you'll still be able to do everything you need to do, from installing tools to downloading updates and all that good stuff. It's just going to keep us a little bit more secure and keep these VMs from reaching out to other devices on our network. Now let's jump into snapshots. Snapshots are basically just a screenshot of the current state of the VM before you made any changes, or let's say a significant update. In case something breaks, maybe an exploit corrupted the machine, you have a state to revert back to in the previous state that you had. So right over here on Kali Linux, we see this camera icon. Go ahead and hit take, and then we can name this Kali Snapshot 1. Go ahead and click OK. That way, in case this machine breaks, we can revert back to the old good known version, and then we can just go from there instead of having to install a new Kali Linux VM from scratch. That could be pretty tedious and pretty annoying. And then you can go ahead and do the same thing with the rest. We'll just do Metasploitable 2, Snapshot 1. Maybe I should fix the spelling on that. And then same thing with Windows 7. Now this does eat a little bit more into the storage. I personally think it's worth taking up more space. That way we can be safer and have something to revert back to. So that way we don't lose all our progress. Now Win 7 Snapshot 1. Hit OK. Everything looks good. That'll be the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.